What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to fix the problem when you're unable to access or use Bing Chat on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. If you have access to Bing Chat and it's not working, then you should first make sure that you're using the Microsoft Edge browser to use the new chat function from Bing, as it's not available on other browsers yet. When clicking on chat, this window should show up. Some of you might see this. Chat mode is only available when you have access to the new Bing window. If this is the case for you, then join the waitlist and you will receive an email in the coming hours or days that you have access to Bing Chat. Maybe you'll only be asked to open Bing Chat using the Microsoft Edge browser. Using the Microsoft Edge browser, navigate to bing.com and navigate to the Chat tab. If you're still unable to access Bing Chat or if this option is not showing up at all, then make sure that you're logged into the correct Microsoft account. Click on your username to verify that you're using the email address with access to Bing Chat, as you're still required to have joined the waitlist to get access at this time. Next, ensure that any VPN or proxy connection is disabled on your PC, because Bing Chat is restricted in some regions and countries for now. When this is done, make sure that you're not using the browser in full screen mode, as this can cause a bug where you can see the chat option. Lastly, clear your browser cache and site data for Bing.com to make sure that any account update trying to use Bing Chat. Using the Edge browser, click on the menu icon at the top right to access your browser settings. Navigate to Cookies and Site Permissions and then Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. See all cookies and site data. Search for Bing.com and proceed to clear all site cookies and data for the Bing.com domain. Make sure that you're using a reliable network connection or use a different network connection to see if this issue is network related. In some cases, high traffic and server issues can cause Bing Chat problems, where you won't be able to use it for a couple of minutes or hours. Make sure to wait for some time before trying to use Bing Chat again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.